Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tidbits, promotions, and all the fun that travel has to offer. My first encounter with the Club Mobay was during a WestJet fam trip out of Toronto, Canada, when each agent was awarded a VIP pass to the Club Mobay services. I'd seen airport lounges before, but I never thought it was worth the effort. How wrong I was. This was the beginning of my new normal. When leaving our beloved shores, I must close my stay with the Club Mobay services. And I could go on and on telling you about my many pleasant experiences. But first, let's listen to Miss Sheri-Fun, Director for International Sales at Club Mobay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're so sorry you're not able to join us today, but we look forward to welcome you in the near future to Club Mobay and Club Kingston. My name is Sheri-Fun and I am the Director for International Sales. Allow me to take you on a magical tour of every vacationer's first and last impression of the beautiful island of Jamaica. This way.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness are snippets of the amenities and services offered to our valued customers who booked the services of Jamaica's premier arrival and departure lounges and concierge services through Club Mobay and Club Kingston. Allow me to take you on the tour, starting firstly with the arrival service. From the point of arrival, our dedicated team of professionals will meet each and every passenger who booked her services to welcome them to the beautiful island of Jamaica.
Hi Gabrielle. Hi Lionel. Welcome to Jamaica on behalf of Club Mobay or Slice of Paradise.
They will be escorted through to immigration where they'll get the fast track service. From customs, we'll take them into a beautiful arrival lounge where they can relax and unwind and discover the endless possibilities that Jamaica has to offer.
Here at Stay Connected Telecommunications Services, we offer our customers various ways to stay connected with their friends and family back in reality while visiting our beautiful island of Jamaica.
From the comfortable seats, the Wi-Fi access, the snacks and beverages that we offer on arrival, it's no wonder they want to relax. They want to refresh while we coordinate with their respective ground transfers their transportation to their beautiful host resorts. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to your reality for the next couple of days. There are many reasons why our visitors love us. Not only do we provide a hassle-free environment, but we take into account the impeccable service. We've catered to every single detail of their vacation experience. We want them to maximize their time in paradise. So the quicker you come in, the quicker we get you out. With warm smiles and true Jamaican hospitality, everything will truly be, yeah man, no pressure, no problem. After completion of your respective airline check-in, we invite you to proceed to the security checkpoint where our agents will assist you with a hassle-free, fast-track experience and offer directions to our premier departure lounge inspired by cultural and rich heritage of our beautiful island, Jamaica. Club Mobay truly offers diversity, from spa services to the endless array of snacks and beverage services to the digicel business center where we have complimentary Wi-Fi access for each and every guest. Club Mobay creates a hassle-free environment with impeccable service, ensuring that the discerning traveler will be able to relax, connect, and discover the endless possibilities of Jamaica. We're pleased and proud to be recipients of the Global Lounge of the Year in our location in Kingston and recognized for the best staff at Club Mobay by Priority Pass operators of over 700 lounges worldwide. It is no wonder people have come to love and trust us. We cater to all the needs of each and every individual. Ladies and gentlemen, seeing is believing. We look forward to welcoming you to Club Mobay and Club Kingston in the near future. See you soon.
Now that you know the value proposition of adding VIP attractions Club Mobay to your itinerary, let us upgrade your travel documents to include this premier destination within a destination. I never leave home without it. Neither should you. This is Sharon from Sheri-Fun Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. Ciao for now.